Acrylic Vacuum Glove Box has tight, good sealing and great visibility. It's made of acrylic, which is organic glass and eco-friendly. It can be used for years and create vacuum environment with high performance of gas replacement. The inner gas in it is closed by the circulation fan and purifier. The key component is from famous factory. It's customized according to your requirement.It supports steady operation under environment without external factors such as oxidation, moisture, and dust. It covers wide range of applications such as school labs, medical labs, and battery fields, etc. Welcome to cooperating with our factory. Please contact with us if you are interested. Vanessa Yun 6 at gmail.com.